Welcome to Asian Elephant News with B. Hi, today I will be talking about Asian elephants. So first of all, the common name of Asian elephants. The scientific name is Elephas maximus, of course, Asian elephants in English, Elephant de Asie in French, and Elefante asiatico for Spanish. The genus and species. As you can see, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Proboscidia, family Elephantidae, and genus Elephas. Um, Asian elephants eat up to 150 kilograms of food and poos up to 18 times a day. Bananas and sugar canes are also their favorite food. They the elephants need tons of water, so they will mostly stay around where there is water. It is gray and maybe a bit pink on the tusk. They also have small ears and they are mostly in Southeast Asia. According to the UN Red List, the status of Asian elephants is endangered. The main threats are habitat loss due to growing human populations and large development projects like dams. Also, illegal hunting and trade in ivory is a problem, as is capture for domestic use on people's farm. The method used to catch them are sometimes fatal. Lastly, diseases are carried by some cattle could be dangerous to elephants too. How can you help them? Um, do, don't buy ivory products. Illegal trade in ivory is a continuing threat threat to elephants. Donating money to the elephants. Two places you can donate to are WWF and IUCN. WWF and IUCN are groups that help elephants and many other animals. It would always be trying to help endangered animals and try to stop threats to animals. We'll be right back after this break on Asian Elephant News with B. Thank you.